Hey everyone, welcome to the Veles channel. Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft online with a friend. First, go to single player. For local network play, just enter your world. Connect to the same network or Wi-Fi, or use a VPN. Then click Open to LAN twice. Now others can join via local network. If that doesn't work, Google Aternos. Go to the site, click play, log in, hit create server. Click create. Then go to servers. Here's our server. Choose the core version you need. I'm using 1.12.2, for example. Click reinstall, then yes. Allow pirated Minecraft and start. Wait for it to launch. After launch, open Minecraft. Don't forget to copy the IP address. Copy the IP and join the server. That's all there is to it. This has been Veles. See you later, everyone.